Hi, my name is Daniela Safira, and right now I will presenting about my internship experience in grade 4. So I am a fourth grade student majoring in civil engineering 1 at 7 Vocational High School Semarang, presence number 30. In grade 4, I did an internship in the construction project of the Johor market. The project where I did my internship is on KH Agus Salim Street, Kauman, Semarang City, Central Java. The Johor Semarang Market Development Projects aim to rebuild the market building which was burned down in 2005. I start my internship in May with three of my friends, Nurul, Yusuf, and Andika. In the first week of my internship, my group toured the Johor Market Project to observe and get to know the new environment. While in the project, we are required to wear safety helmets, vests, and safety shoes. Also, because the pandemic is still ongoing, we must wear masks. After that, my group became the surveyor assistant. Our job in the field is to help with measurements using an automatic level. The first month, we took measurements to determine the position of the column to be built. Because this work is done during the fasting month, the work feels quite tiring even though the work we get is not a difficult job. My group also got a week off to celebrate Eid with our family at home. And during the following month, my group started working on the floor slab on the top floor, such as determining structure boundaries, looking for 0 point, and many more. All the work we do stays in touch with measurements. Because the fasting month was over, my group did their work easily. We even got excited because we could drink ice and eat during our lunch break. The third month is not much different from the previous month. Our work is still the same in terms of measuring floor slabs. Because the Johor Market building has 4 floors, so it takes a long time. Considering that at the end of the internship, each student must make an internship report, and the work I often observe is slab work, so I took floor slab work as the subject of my internship report. I also often observe when the work on the floor slab in the project is carried out. In the fourth month, the structure of the Johor Market building has been complete. My group and I start working on marking for the market stalls. Because the building is fully intended for the market, we do this marking work from the first floor to the fourth floor. This work is quite difficult even though it looks easy. Especially my group has to work on 4 floors, and each floor is full from corner to corner. However, because this work is in the building, my group is not exposed to the heat of the sun, so that the work feels more comfortable and not very tiring. In the fifth month, my group did the groundwork to build a groundwater tank and powerhouse. This job is quite difficult because you have to go up and down using stairs and going through puddles. Because the groundwater tank is underground, it's quite difficult and a risky job to do. Only the boys in my group take measurements of this area. Me and my friend Nurul only work to carry things or take notes. The sixth month is the last month. The work on the building is almost finished. Only finishing work such as painting is left. My group and I are taking measurements to make paths in front of the market this month. Because the path works are located quite far from market building, the sun is very hot and the weather is very hot, so we get tired easily. My internship ended in November. My group and I went back to school to return to learning activities and doing internship reports. The conclusion from my internship is that my group and I have gained a lot of experience working on projects directly, so we can put into internship all the theories that we have learned in first, second, and third grade. We get training in the field which is useful as provision for us in the future when we will work on projects. We are also trained to be able to work together in the teams and be cohesive. Therefore, we must continue to study in our respective majors so that we can get through provisions for our future. That's my internship experience. Hopefully, my experience can motivate first, second, and third grade so who will do internship later. I apologize if there is a wrong word. This is the story of my internship experience. Thank you.